Hello guys, good afternoon. Do you know why the manufacturing cannot go back to US? Because I'm doing manufacturing almost 15 or 16 years. And I have a lot of delivery shipments go to US and other countries. So I'll tell you just one really very important reason the manufacturing, the production cannot go back to USA. One reason, okay? Logistic. So I have a cargo that's worth about $5,000 or $6,000. It's just a demo, okay? And then I want to deliver to my customer. And then I use DHL or air cargo, and then have all the data list to show how much every process, right? So the process from our factory to the airport and also the custom clearance, it costs us about $150, like that, even less. But when it arrived in USA, and then the custom clearance and the delivery, it's about $1,200 plus. So you can imagine it's not a bigger package. It's a less than 150 kilogram package. But the process and the logistic, dispatch costs $1,200 plus. So you can imagine, but in China, it's less than $150, including the everything, right? So you can imagine how any factory can handle this kind of cost, right? And also take one example. When I take taxi in USA, for example, 15 to 20 miles, mostly they charge us $50 around, 40, 50, even 60. And also they demand, tips, mostly $5 or $10, like that. So you can imagine, but in China, it's nowadays we take a taxi about 30 or 40 miles. It literally costs 0.2 to $0.3 per mile. So you can imagine in US it's I think $2 or $3 a mile, but in China it costs it only costs 1/10 of that cost, right? So you can compare why. So forget about the